Hi, my name is Alani, and today I will be teaching you about exponential growth and decay. The first thing you need to know when it comes to exponential growth or decay is your formula, which in this case is going to be y equals a parentheses 1 plus r parentheses t. So this is what it's going to look like once you get done. Okay, so the first thing you want to do with exponential growth and decay is understand what each thing means. So A equals the amount that you start with, which you can put that down there if you want to. It's not really, but Sarah is just giving you something to understand. A equals the initial amount. R equals the amount slash decimal, which would be rate, basically. And t equals the time. So once you understand that, you basically understand exponential growth and decay. So with exponential growth and decay, the first thing you want to do is read your word problem out loud. And today the word problem will be, which of the following gives us the savings as in count if the initial amount if $250 was invested at an interest rate of 3% per year. So the first thing you want to do is write back down your formula, which would be y equals a parentheses 1 plus r parentheses t. So you write your formula down first. That's the first thing you want to do. And then the next thing you want to do is figure out which everything is. So the first thing you want to do is find y, which there's not going to be always be an exact y, but in this case y would be s for savings. So that's the first thing you put. So s equals, that's the first thing you will want to do, s. Okay, the next thing you will want to do is find a, which is, like we said, the initial amount that you start with. So the initial amount that we started with was $250, so that's what you will want to put down, $250. And make sure you feel free at any time to pause the video if you want to write down the word problem. Okay, $250. And then the next thing you want to do is get what's inside the parentheses, which will be 1, and then plus whatever rate you had. Whichever rate you had. So the first thing you would put was 1 because that doesn't change. So that'd be 1. And then plus, 1. And then plus the rate, which would be 0.03 because that would be the initial rate, which was 3%. So it'd be 0.03. About 4% with 12,500 residents. Which of the following is projected population in 10 years? So the first you want to do again after trying yourself. So the math problem will be, I'm going to write this one over here since this is to do with this problem. And it's the if the population, if the population of a town is decreasing by 4%, with 12,500 residents, which of the following is projected population in 10 years? So the first you want to do again after you take the video, after you pause the video in order to do the problem. Again, after you take the video, after you pause the video in order to do the problem, the first thing you want to do to check your answer is write down the formula, which is y equals a parentheses 1 plus r again, and then outside the parentheses would be t as well. And then of course the amount would be, there's nothing changing for y, so it'd be y again. Then the initial amount that you started with will be 12,500 residents, parentheses 1, and then in this case it will be minus 0.04 because they changed the things. It's a subtraction problem. And then outside the parentheses for the time, it'd be 10 years, and then y, and that would be your thing.